I'm going to cut the lining. The lining, I'm going to cut it in 3 layers. I've laid the fabric on the table with the net underneath, the lining fabric on top, and then the above, on top of that is the net that we're going to be doing the top layer. And I'm going to cut on the waistline and on the sides. I'm cutting it exactly the same, but the net is, this is the one on the top layer, this is the second layer, and this is the lining layer. Now the lining and the bottom layer, I'm cutting those two the same. So what you're going to have is, and these are slightly bit 2 inches longer than the actual upper portion of the dress. So this is the original dress portion. Take that away. That's the dress portion, and it's about 2 inches all the way around larger than the actual dress portion, and that's 2 parts. This is the net which is going to be used to stiffen and sort of slightly balloon the dress out, and then we've got cotton lining just to make it comfortable. So in actual fact what we're going to have is 3 layers. This is the semicircle for the lining, the semicircle for the stiffening net, and then we've got the smaller part of the top layer of the net, which is going to be trimmed off at the bottom with the border. And that I've cut 2 pieces of each of these. Now that's the bodice, and it's not going to have any, it's going to be sleeveless. And then the back, I've just cut that plain, and I've cut it along the center because I want to line that and also add some buttons or a zip to that. So we need some lining for this. Now the fabric that I've used is equal proportions of I've got equal proportions, but I'm using, now there is a very, very slight color variation, and I feel like using perhaps, I don't know, another color on this, just to, I could take just slightly, whether to leave it this color or whether to use, it's almost making this look a bit maroony. I'm going to see if it goes with my color. That's a bit reddish.